Here's the machine we're going to be retrofitting. From now on, this will be referred to as the cam or camshaft, cam servo. It's basically a 1 revolution per part shaft. That is where our cam servo motor would be hooked up to. So every revolution of this cam shaft is 1 part. From now on, these would be called our feed, or our feed rollers. That's where the feed servo gearbox motor would be hooked up to. Basically, it's a simple machine where at certain points of the cam rotation, for example, at 20 degrees, let's say, we would be doing a 1/2 inch feed. At 35 degrees of rotation, we'd be doing maybe a 4-inch wire feed, and so on and so forth. It's basically a PLS, for lack of a better term, I guess, with various I/O for the picker, the grabbers, the grippers, some other tooling going in and out. This here, we would have certain portions or parts of the program, we would do a feed to an input. So we would do the rough body feed, and then the final feed would just be a feed to an input. And that's what you see right there. We would like the cam at different points to be able to speed up or slow down, and also the feed roll, just to avoid, if we get into long parts, avoid part whip and things like that. If they start getting long, the part can get whippy on us. So there might be times where we need to speed or slow down the feed or the cam. And that is about it. The feed is just feeding a straight wire into different coiling points to create a spring. And on this particular job, here's that finished extension spring. Again, the feed rollers feeding a straight wire off of a coil of wire, and that would be separate from what we need done. But a fairly simple, basically PLS type program with I/O.